Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check ringtone on your iPhone. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings app on your iPhone, and you want to be on this screen. Now from here you want to find until it says sounds and haptics. Then you want to tap on that. And then you have many things to look out for here, but the important one is the ringtone, the first option, as you can see it here. You want to tap on that. And basically, if I were to click on this first one again, it's just going to play the ringtone that is currently used for this iPhone when I'm getting a call. And of course, if you want to change it, just click on any other. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.